Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogmas, Planmas, whatever. I'm using both this year. Today we are opening up the first of two advents from Rebel Ink Co. As you guys know, this is one of my favorite advents every single year. Carrie never disappoints. It is always awesome, and I can't wait. So today we are opening the sticker advent, and then in another video we're going to open the sticker and stuff advent. That one's the one where we get things like this. This is from a previous advent, so you get stuff. This one is just stickers, and they're not the same as any stickers that are in the other advent. So look at this box. It's so cute. It's got my name on it. I love it. She always gives us these great magnetic boxes. They are so great for holding things. Just awesome. Okay, let's see. Rebel Ink Co. Thank you. Your 2025 Rebel Ink Co. Advent is here. This year, the Advent theme is In My Rainbow Era. Rebel Ink Co. is always in a rainbow era, so this is no surprise, but we went all out with the theme to bring you a riot of color with a slightly snarky, sweary edge, because sometimes your language needs to be as colorful as your sticker collection. Sorry, not sorry. Enjoy. Oh, that's great. That's great. I love that. Okay, so last chance. Spoilers. If you got this, if you're going to open it every day, you do not want to watch this video, hit the like button and come back later and you can watch the video. So that's your final warning. And if you have any littles running around, there might be some bad words in these stickers, okay? So parental discretion is advised. All right, envelope number 1. And as always, I love the stickers, so let's hope that we can keep them undestroyed this year. I might just grab something to use as a letter opener and open them from the top, because I seem to mangle them every year. Oh my goodness, hello! So we've got Rainbow Era Days 2 and Rainbow Era Months 2. Oh, maybe this is how we tell the difference between these stickers and the stickers in the other advent. Okay. These are so cute. She was not kidding about rainbow. Wow. Oh, and this is cool. So you get 2 sets of months, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4 different sets of days. That's fantastic. Okay, put that over there. And now we are on day 2. Oh, it came up so easily. Thank you. Look, it's boxes and doodles and boxes. Oh, how pretty. So pretty. Love the stitched boxes. Little planner. Oh, these are great. Absolutely great. Okay, we've got day 3. Yay! Ah! Weekly reset. So this is like Becky's reset. Okay, just wanted to make sure this was the only thing in there because sometimes things hide on me. Alright, so this is the weekly reset. So you've got goals, priorities, this week's plan, intention, focus, work to-do list, personal to-do list to buy this week, things to look forward to this week, how did I feel overall. So this is like, there's like a reset and there's like reflection. So this is very cool stuff to get you ready for next week, what you've been reading, watching, listening to. This is great. This is like a whole like currently page right here. Okay. Day 4, yes, not sticking, love it. Ooh, now I've got another set. Fantastic, because I have so many planners. These are great. So pretty. They do have a notch in them. Oh, they're just a slightly jagged design. That's cool. I like that. Very pretty. Very pretty and oh so useful. This is the other reason that I like to do these all at once, because I have planner setups to do and I need stuff. Okay, we're on day 5. Oh, hello. An alphabet. And it's holographic and it's rainbow. And look at all those letters. Wow, that's crazy. Usually you don't get enough letters. Wow, that's a good one. Super useful. Day 6. Oh, I see what looks like highlighters. Yep, Rainbow Era highlighters. The little binder clips. How cute. I love these. So now, are these individual or is this like a washi strip kind of deal? Nope, they're individual. That's cool. Just destroyed this sticker sheet because I never get them to go back where they belong. Yeah, not even close. Let's try that again. We did better that time. Those are adorable. Day 7. I love these number stickers. They're shiny hollow foil, and look, it's all leopard print in rainbow. That is so awesome. Cluster deco. Okay. And then we've got some strips here. Planner. For painting. And a whole bunch of planner supplies. That's cool. Like that. Day 8. My scalloped boxes and watercolor boxes. You know, I love the scalloped boxes. I love the stitching. I love the little floopies. Some people don't make them right. Carrie always makes them right. So, so, so cute. Oops. Day 9. Oh, I see numbers. I see numbers. Rainbow Era dates 2. Rainbow Era days 4. Cool. So we got another 4 sets of days. Sunday, yep. And these are all smaller. So you put these in like a week's or a classic planner or something. And all these numbers. Wow. 2, 3, 4, 5. Looks like 5 complete sets of numbers. That's awesome. Keep them with their envelopes. 10. Is this... How many? Oh goodness, it's 24. How did I forget that? Okay. Day number 10. Oh, I see sparkly things. Okay, so here we go with the bad words. Send the small children out of the room. These have this kind of like snowy, sparkly overlay. It's like stars, actually. Stars. So we gotta plan this shit again. Fun fucking tastic. Fan fucking tastic, sorry. I deserve a gold fucking star. Don't know what that means. I say that a lot. Epic meltdown. Same shit, different day. Give me a fucking break. Not today, Satan. Oh, this is good. That's good. That's funny. I don't think those are going to make it into my planner. I think those are going to make it, like, onto Ray's, like, lunch bag or something. Okay, what do we got? We've got Rainbow Era planners and washi. How cute! And in different sizes, too. Oh, that's adorable. That's really adorable. Okay, we've got day 12. Oh, I see the brick wall. Always love this pattern and this one. Look, these are all the scraps. I love the scraps. Great in a Hobonichi, great in a bullet journal. Day 13. And I promise I did not open these. This is how they came out of the box. Oh, little Stanley cups. How cute. And floofy pens. That's really cute. Really, really cute. This pile's getting out of control. Okay. Day number 14. Rainbow Era. Word of the year. Are you looking for your word of the year? Here are some prompts to help you find it. Where would I like to be at the end of the year? What are my goals and how will I achieve them? What do I need to be a happier me? Short list of words that resonate, and then your word of the year sticker. That's clever. What is your swear word of the year? Let's be honest, sometimes you just need to swear. Here are some prompts to help you do that better. My favorite, you write that there. Swear words I need to use more. Swear words to adopt from other countries. Swear words I don't like using. Swear word of the year. Oh, that's great. That is so great. Okay, we're on day 15. Oh, my favorite. I love hydrate stickers. Oh, I love them. And they got little Stanley cups. They're so cute. Ah, crap. Okay, so I just lost one of my AirPods. Uh-oh. Alright, see, this is like the worst room to lose things in. I lost something when we opened another Advent, but I don't know what order I'm uploading those, so... Oh no, that was the first one. So, yeah, this is a bad room to lose things in, but I will find that when we're done. So, hydrate stickers, I love hydrate stickers. The only thing that would make this better is it had a little 7-day tracker right underneath it. Okay, day 16. Oops, don't break it. Okay, so another monthly reset, which is good because these are helpful and it's slightly different colors. It looks like different colors. Let's see. Oh, that was a weekly reset. This is a monthly reset. Okay. Cool. Okay, day 17. I'm also thrown off by losing that AirPod. There we go. Plan stickers. Fantastic. Every color you could possibly want. So cute and so useful. Okay, day 18. Icy sparklies. Got more of these star, snow, whatever you want it to be. Oh, look at that keyboard. That's so cute. I wish I had something like that in real life. That's pretty. It's all pretty. Then we got like a rainbow strip down here. Those are so cute. Special boxes 3. Day 19. Looks like journaling sheet. Don't break. Doodles. So we got a smaller one like this earlier. So now this is the bigger one. So cute. I love those. Okay, on to day 20. Special boxes 2. And scripts. Oh, these are good too. They're all in the frame, right? Yeah. These are nice. I like these. And they're like that watercolor. And then we've got currently reading, recycling day, to do today, trash day, unplug, order takeout, don't forget, movie night next week, me time, no school, planning time. Excellent. There's more on here, but I'm not going to read them all. That'll take us 10 minutes. Okay. Oops. Hitting the camera. Day 21. Deco Washi. That's cute. So we got all these mild liners. So we got all these mild liners, and they're cut at the top. Oh, so are these Stanley cups. So they're kiss cut, so they're like not just like a strip of washi. That's cool. We got the binder clips. Yep, that's very neat. It's also neat because then you don't have like that strip of white, which is, sometimes very irritating. And we've got these rainbows. So cute. I like that. Day 22. See shiny. Rainbow quotes, and they're holographic. Look on the bright side. Kindness is free. Sprinkle that shit everywhere. Alright. Hopefully everyone got their kids out of the room to begin with. No one is you. That's your superpower. Someone else gave me this quote recently. I don't remember who. Never stop chasing rainbows. That's adorable. Plan to shine. That's really cool. I'm not weird. I'm a rainbow sprinkle on a vanilla world. Oh, I love that. I'm stealing that. That's perfect. Okay, day 23. How cute. Mild liners and dual markers. Look. So we got Tombos and mild liners. Most popular highlighting pens that there are. How cute. So cute. Alright, day 24. Here we go. Shiny. Die cuts 3. Oh, look. Okay, so we got like a planning bag and books and coffee. More mild liners. Books and coffee or tea. An iPad with a rainbow on it. AirPods. I'm missing one of mine. And an iPhone. And they're shiny. That's so cute. I love these. I absolutely love these. Okay. What's your favorite sheet from this? Like, which one is your favorite? I don't know if I can pick a favorite. So I guess, what are your several favorites? I really love this. This is fantastic. Alright, so that's it for this Advent. Like I said, we're going to open the other Advent on another day in a different video. So, thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any more of the fun. We're doing Planmas. We're doing Vlogmas. We're doing all kinds of things. I'm setting up planners or unboxing Advents. We're unboxing subscription boxes. Yeah, I should get those before Christmas, so there's at least 2 of them. Hit the like button, subscribe, share. Don't miss out on any of the fun, and I will see you guys in the next video.